This is heavy. Great. So, now you put it in the oven, but it can't be real or else it won't work and your LPS will melt. Probably. Put it in the And don't worry, people, there are no taste testers this time. Okay? And you just preheat it to 50 degrees Celsius. And it can't be Fahrenheit because, frankly, I don't know how to do Fahrenheit. So just do 50 degrees Celsius. And wait 20 minutes. While doing so, you can read a book or something, or at least wash your dirty paws. So, you want to get some water. Yes, a lot of water. Yes. I'm sorry if that was kind of long. I don't know. I have no idea how to do the pause button. So yeah. Then you add water to your paws. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And it shouldn't be too clean though. You actually have to really get into it to get it really clean. And add some more water. But add soap this time. And mix it and mix it and mix and mix. You might want to get your thing away. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Okay, I'm sorry this is taking so long, but let's talk while I mix. So, my name is Marco. Nifty name, huh? Well, I have a magnet because I'm old. And yeah. And oh ding! It's here. It's ready. Click on me to go to the next episode. Hurry up, it's kind of getting hot in here. Oh my gosh, I think it's burning. Hurry up. Okay, bye.